Now students, I am going to start the exercise 12.2. Here it is given that a park is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD, has angle C equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So students, if you are going to find the area of any quadrilateral, you are having the formula for certain quadrilateral like rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram. But if a general quadrilateral is given there, suppose that if you are given a quadrilateral like that, suppose that it is PQRS, then how you will find the area of the quadrilateral PQRS? It is a general quadrilateral. So how you will get the area of this quadrilateral? You will use the Heron's formula to find the area of this quadrilateral. How you will apply? You need to join one of the diagonal. Suppose that if I am going to join the diagonal PR, then this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. One triangle is PRS and second is PQR. Find the area of both the triangle, add area of both the triangle, that will be equal to area of the quadrilateral PQRS. So students, if any general quadrilateral is given there, so you will apply the Heron's formula to find the area of that quadrilateral. By joining one of the diagonal, the quadrilateral will be divided into two triangles. So here I am going to apply the same way. If you are going to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, so first you need to draw a rough diagram for the quadrilateral ABCD. So here I am going to draw a rough diagram for the quadrilateral ABCD. Suppose that here I am going to draw like this: A, B, C, D. Now in the question it is given that AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. So here it is given, and it is given that angle C is 90 degree. Here it is angle C, that is 90 degree. You are given this. So you need to find the area of this quadrilateral. So students, if you are going to join the diagonal BD, then that quadrilateral will be divided into two triangles. So if you are going to find the area of both the triangles, so if in the area of the triangle ABD, first side is 8, second is 9 meter, but BD that is not given here. So how you will get the BD? By using the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle BCD, that is 90 degrees, so it is the hypotenuse. So apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle BCD, so you will get the BD, that is the hypotenuse. So first I am going to get the length of BD. So here you will write in right triangle BDC. Here in right triangle BDC, BD is the hypotenuse, so BD square equal to DC square plus BC square. By Pythagoras theorem, BD square equal to DC square plus BC square. DC is 5, BC is 12. So BD square equal to 5 square plus 12 square, that is equal to 25 plus 144. Then BD square equal to 169. Yeah, BD equal to under root 169, that is equal to 13 meter. So what is the length of the BD? That is 13 meter. So you got the length of BD, that is 13 meter. Now you are having all the three sides of the triangle ABD as well as all the three sides of the triangle BCD. So first I am going to find the area of the triangle ABD. So here I am going to write in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, first side A equal to, suppose that first side is 9 meter, second is 13 meter, third is 8 meter. So A equal to 9 meter, B equal to 13 meter and C equal to 8 meter. Now find S. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. It can be written as 9 plus 13 plus 8 by 2. So 9 plus 13, 22, 22 plus 8, 30. So that is equal to 30 by 2, it is equal to 15. So here it is, S is 15. Now you need to find S minus A. So S minus A equal to 15 minus, that is 9, it is equal to 6. Now S minus B, it is equal to 15 minus 13, that is equal to 2. And S minus C, it is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So you got S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now you need to find the area of the triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD equal to under root S minus A s minus b s minus c, that is equal to under root s is 15 into s minus a is 6 into 2 into 7. Now you can write it like this. 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, here 2 is already there into 7. Now 2 and 3 are in the pair, so write it 3 into 2, that will be outside of the square root, and here it will be 7 into 5, 35. Then it will be 6 root 35. Now students, you need to find the value of root 35 so that you will get the decimal value of this. So here I am going to find the root 35, square root of 35, so it can be written as 0 0 0. So it will be 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, so it will be 5 5 ja 25. Now it will be 10. Now here it is decimal and 5 5 10, and here you will put 2 zeros. So how many times? It will be 9 times. It will be 9 9 ja 81 and 9 1 ja 9. So approximately it can be written as 5.9. So here I am going to write it 5.9. So 6 into 5.9, it is equal to 6 9 ja 54, 6 5 ja 30 and 35. It will be 35.4 meter square. So area of the triangle ABD is 35.4 meter square. Now in the same way you need to find the area of the triangle BDC. So all the three sides are there, 5, 13, 12. So you can find the area of this triangle by Heron's formula, A 12, B 5, C 13. Yeah, if one angle is 90 degree in a triangle, then you can apply the formula half base into height. If any angle given in a triangle is 90 degree, so whatever the two sides, that is going to make the 90 degree angle. So one will be base, second will be height. So the area of this triangle you can find by half base into height. Yeah, you can apply the Heron's formula. So half base into height is easier than the Heron's formula. So here I am going to find the area of the triangle BDC. So area of triangle BDC, it is equal to half into base into height. Why I am going to use this formula? Reason is that here it is one angle is 90 degree. So two sides which containing the angle 90 degree, out of that one will be base, second will be height. So it will be half into 12 into 5. One will be base, second will be height. So 2 6 ja 12. It will be 30 meter square. So friends, if you are going to find the area of the triangle BCD by Heron's formula also, that will be 30 meter square. Once try to find the area of the triangle BCD by Heron's formula also, and you will get that it will be 30 meter square. Now total area, yeah, you can say that area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, it is equal to 35.4 plus 30. Yeah, it is equal to 65.4 meter square. So approximately that area will be 65.4 meter square. That is the complete solution of the question number 1. Now students, here it is given the question number 2, that is similar to the question number 1. So only I am going to explain that you need to solve by yourself. It is given that find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, CD equal to 4 cm and DA equal to 5 cm, AC equal to 5 cm. Then find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So student, just like the previous question, you need to draw a rough diagram of the ABCD. So here I am going to draw a rough diagram of the quadrilateral ABCD. Now what the values are given? AB equal to 3 cm. So here AB equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, CD equal to 4 cm, DA equal to 5 cm and AC, it is AC given 5 cm. So you need to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So you need to find the area of both the triangle ACD and ABC and add area, both the area, you will get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Only the difference from the question number 1 and 2 is that in the previous question, question number 1, one angle was given 90 degree. So in that triangle you had applied half base into height. But here you are not given any angle 90 degree. So here you need to find the area of both the triangle by Heron's formula. For the triangle ADC, first side is 5, second is 5 centimeter, third is 4 centimeter. So use the Heron's formula here. In the same way, in the triangle ABC, one side is 3 centimeter, second is 4 centimeter, third is 5 centimeter. So again here apply the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle ABC and add both the area, then it will be the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So students, try to solve this question by yourself. Now thank you students.